It's me, Mrs. Fox, oh yeah! Welcome to Color Carpet Time, boys and girls. Mrs. Fox, that's my line. Now, welcome to Color Carpet Time. That's the time of day we gather around our big color carpet here in the classroom. We sit down, we listen real well, we practice some letters, some sounds, and some words, and all kinds of cool things. Well, today, as you can see, we're joined by Mrs. Fox. Joined by Miss Fox, oh yeah! Miss Fox, why are you singing everything? 'Cause I love to sing, oh yeah. Okay, alright, we're going to roll with that. So, we're going to start off with segmenting sounds. Doesn't that sound good? Don't know what that means, oh yeah. Wait, you don't know what that means, the segmenting sounds? Okay, so segmenting sounds, this is what we do. I'm going to tell the class a word, I'm going to say a word, and then they're going to break it up and kind of stretch it apart and say each sound that they hear in that word. And then they're going to tell me how many sounds make up that word. You want to try it? Let's try it with, why not fox? Me? Yes, we'll try it with fox. F, x. So we have f, x. Three sounds make up fox. Wow. Do you want to try some more? Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's start off with keep. Keep. So, like I get to keep it. How many sounds make up keep? So we're going to segment keep. How do we do it? K, E, P, K, E, P. Did you get three? All right. How about key? Key. That's a tough one, Mr. T. Oh, yeah. Key is made up of K, E. Two. Did you get two? Okay. How about bus? Bus. What do you think, Mrs. Fox? I think it's three, oh yeah. Let's see. B, S. It is three. Good job, Mrs. Fox. You're getting it. Yes, I am. Oh, yeah. All right. How about pup? Pup. P, p, pup. Three. Did you get three again? Why, I sure did. I've got the hang of it. I'm doing so well, oh yeah. All right, Mrs. Fox. Excellent job. Thank you very much. Hey, do you want to help us out with something? You want to do some of these sight words with us? Because we got a big challenge coming up, don't we, boys and girls? Mrs. Duck is waiting. She's doing laps over there. She's taking a break. She's looking at her flashcards that have her sight words on them. And she's going to the weight room. She's lifting a bunch of weights. She's taking a break. She's looking at her sight words again. And then now she's doing laps in the pool. Don't worry, it's an indoor heated pool, so everything's good. She's doing laps in the pool, and then when she gets out, she takes her goggles off, and then she's studying her sight words. So we need some help. So you want to help us out? Why, yes I do. Yes I do. Yes I do. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Let's start it off with all. Good. Very good. How about what? That is what. Excellent. Not. That's not. Excellent. But. Yep, that is but. Good. And finally, were. That is were. Very nice. Very nicely done. You two boys and girls, remember you can always go back and watch that again to get more practice, or you can get your index cards out of your box and you can write all these sight words on there, and you can practice them anytime, any old time of day, right? Isn't that right, Mrs. Fox? Well, that's correct. Oh, yeah. All right. So, Mrs. Fox, we're going to get into some letter sounds, but I hear that you have somewhere to be. I do. I have to go to dance class. Oh, yeah. The dancing and the singing is what I love to do. I'll see you all later, and I'll miss you too. Oh, yeah. And she's gone. Boy, she loves to sing, doesn't she? All right, boys and girls, we have some letters that we are going to practice today. And I'm going to show you a couple pictures. I want you to say what the pictures are, and then I want you to think in your head as I'm showing you the pictures, what is something that is the same about these words? What is that? That's right, that's a kitten. A kitten, right? How about this? That is a key. Excellent. And that is a king. So we have king, we have key, we have kitten. What's the same about them? That's right. They all have a K. And look at these ones actually all begin with a K. So, K is one of the words that we are going to be practicing today. In fact, in our orange workbook on page 2.4, we have our K page, the letter K page, and we're experts at this now, right? You're going to write the first letter to each of these pictures, the letter that it begins with. If it's a K, you're going to color that picture. If it's not a K, you're not going to. Okay? Now, moving ahead a few pages to 2.11, we have our K book. So we're going to do our K book there. Okay? Now, we also have another letter. Let's do the same thing with these cards. What number is that? 6. Good. What is this? That is a box. That is a fox. Okay, what do fox, box, and 6? What letter is in each one of those words? Does anybody know? I think I might have heard it. Even though this is a video and that's impossible. I think I still might have. Box. Box. 6. It's the X and it's X sound, right? That's what it is. It is the X. Now this time, we're not going to do a X page or an X book. This time, all I want you to try to do is I want you to write other words that have an X in them. So you have fox, you have box, you have 6. Do you know any others? You can write these 3. You can write 6. You can write fox. And you can write box. So that gives you 3. Can you come up with any more? I want to see what we can come up with. Now, one other thing we're going to talk about is something called a possessive. What does that mean? What is a possessive? Yeah. So a possessive is when something is yours or somebody else's, right? So if you had a friend named Anna, and she had a room, we would say Anna's room, right? But look what happens. We put an apostrophe up there. Anna's room. This apostrophe S shows that it's a possessive, that Anna possesses it. She owns it, right? That's Anna's room. Now, if we had, if it was a birthday, then we would have Elsa's cake. And here again we have our apostrophe S, Elsa's apostrophe S. This shows that whose cake is it? Elsa's. Elsa's, right? It's good. So we're going to do a little bit of practice with this. Maybe maybe we'll do one more because we're going to show all these possessives. So let's say Batman's cape. Whose cape is it? Batman's. How do you know it's Batman's cape? Because it's got a possessive S at the end. These are possessives. Apostrophe S. We add it to the end of a name to show that that's who owns it. Okay? We're going to get a little bit of practice with possessives today. And for that, we're going to go back to our handy dandy orange notebook. We're going to go to page 2.6. And we're going to complete these sentences using the possessive. Right? And here's the two options that you have to choose from. And you just write it on these lines. Okay? And that is some practice with possessives. So it's our first time doing possessives. Might be a little hard. Do your best. Okay? Just do your best. We're going to keep working on that. I just wanted to give us a little bit of an introduction today, right before we left. Right? So thank you for joining me for Color Carpet Time. Thank you, Mrs. Fox at dance class. Thank you very much, boys and girls. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.